guys, this is Essie for Toys Unlimited, and today we are going to have some fun with our Umizoomi characters. We have Millie, Geo, Bot, Big Trouble, Little Trouble, and Umikar. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 Play-Doh lids. Now let's check out all the surprises in each one of them. Let's start with Millie. Here we have a plush toy of her, and I think it is super cute. She has her helmet and her dress that's pink with some flowers designs all over it. She also has her red hair on a ponytail. She is smiling so big, she looks so happy. And her shoes are also pink with some yellow buttons on it. And of course, since it's a plush toy, it is super soft. Now let's see what's inside our Millie Play-Doh can. Here we have color pink. What's inside our Play-Doh? Wow! It's Daisy Duck. Aw, super cute. Let's see what else. Ooh, it's Peppa Pig. And she is wearing a yellow party hat. Hi, Peppa. Hello. Next we have Geo. Here is our plush toy. It is also super adorable. He has 2 antennas that are red over here on top of his helmet. He looks super adorable. His suit is color blue. And of course, he has to have his shape belt. So the shapes on his belt are triangle, square, and circle. Now it's time to check out what's inside our Geo Play-Doh.
Except Geo.
Here we have a color blue Play-Doh. Let's see. It's a pony. And based from her kitty mark right here, this is Rainbow Dash. Aw, we also have O, and this O is blue. However, he is very sad. Why are you so sad, O?
It's 'cause somebody ate the last cookie.
Oh, don't worry, O. We'll give you more cookies.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, I'm super excited for this one. We have Bot. Here is our plush toy. We have his antenna on the top, his big screen, and his legs. He is also soft and huggable. Let's check out our Bot Play-Doh. Ooh, we have some color green in here. Green. Inside, we have a green superhero. This is Hulk. Ooh, it's a cowboy hat. And we have something green.
It's Toby.
Ooh, is it?
Toby.
It's Toby.
Yeah.
Our cute cactus from the show Sheriff Kelly's.
Oh, hey kids. I'm feeling so happy today. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do.
Oh no! Somebody knocked out our Play-Doh. Uh-oh, looks like we have the troublemakers now. Let's start with Little Trouble. Ooh. We have some orange Play-Doh here. And inside, we have an ugly pet shop pet. And this is a little frog with some blue slime all over his mouth. Ew. Anything else we have? Ooh, this one is not Trouble at all. This one is Kion, and he is from the show The Lion Guard. Here's Big Trouble. We have here a purple Play-Doh. Oh no! Big Trouble has something really funky looking and kind of scary. Can you count how many eyes he has?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eyes.
Oh, this one is not weird at all. This
And
one's
not mean.
super adorable.
It's 7 from
It's
Little
a
Charmers.
dragon with a bow.
It's Umikar. Congratulations, Umikar.
Looks like Umikar and his friends are here to save the day from the troublemakers.
Congratulations,
Let's see what we
Umikar.
have.
Don't do that.
We got us some yellow Play-Doh.
Don't do
Whoa!
that.
There's a lot of surprises in there. Our first Shopkins is Colonel Mustard. The second one is Marty, the party hat. And finally, we have Lana Banana Bread. Oh, looks like we're not done yet. Umikar brought us this Cars chocolate surprise egg. Let's see. I am quite hungry for some chocolate. Yummy. It is cracked on the bottom. Here is our capsule. Here we have our flyer. And here is our toy. It's a yellow car. And it comes with stickers. So looks like we are going to make this car right here. Woohoo! We're done. Here is our yellow race car with all the stickers on it. Wow, we have so many toys. I think we should count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. But wait, that's not all. We also have our 3 plush toys. So if we have 14 toys plus 3 plush toys, how many toys do we have total? 17 toys.
That's right, we got 17 toys total. Awesome job, guys! Alright guys, that's the end of our video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up or click the like button below. And you can show us some love by subscribing to our channel. We make a video or 2 in a day. Say bye, bot!
Ooh, bye.